Hello students, in my last class I had explained you lens formula and magnification by lens. Also we had discussed sign convention. Now today we shall use the concept of sign convention to solve numericals. So first of all we solve examples of NCERT page 182. See example 10.3, and according to our previous experience, first of all we collect informations written in statements in any numerical problem. So see here, given, what are given? Here the statement is, see what? A concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter, and according to sign convention, what we had seen for mirrors? We had seen for mirrors that for concave mirror, the focal length becomes negative, and for convex mirror, focal length becomes positive. The same concept will be followed here also. So if there is term concave, it is very important fact, students. If there is term concave, whether it is mirror or it is lens, focal length will be negative. So here it is given a concave lens, we shall write focal length in negative. And next, concepts were what? Object distance always becomes negative. Image distance depends on the situation. Now, yesterday we had discussed image formation by concave lens. See, for concave lens, image always forms in left of optical center. For all cases, whatever be the distance of object, image will always form left of, that is in front of the lens. So it is very important fact that for numericals related to concave lens, U, that is object distance, V, that is image distance, and focal length, all these three physical quantities will always become negative. This is very important fact, and according to these facts our numericals will be solved. So see, we shall now apply this concept to solve our numericals. What is given here? Here it is given that a concave lens has focal length. So we shall write the focal length of the concave lens, and for focal length the symbol is F. As it is concave, see, word is concave, whether it is mirror or lens, focal length will be negative, and this is physics. I have repeated it many times that the main work of physics is to give us proper sign convention in the chapter of light. So here F will be negative, and what is focal length? 15 centimeters. So we shall write F is equal to minus 15 centimeter. At what distance? So object distance is asked here. At what distance should the object? So object distance, which is represented by U, is to be calculated. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter? So image distance, which is represented by V, it is given 10 centimeter. But just I have seen that in concave lens, image always forms in left of the optical center, so this will also be negative. Find the magnification. Also magnification, which is represented by M, is equal to what? Now we shall use lens formula. So we know that, what we know from lens formula? We know that 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Here u is to be calculated. So if we change side here, when this term transfers from left to right, then this term will be positive, and we transfer this term from right to left. So we can write here, or 1 by v minus 1 by f is equal to 1 by u, or just change full side, complete sides from both sides. 1 by u is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by f. Now putting the values 1 by v, what is the value of v here? Minus 10 centimeter. So minus 10 minus 1 by f, f is minus 15, so minus of minus is equal to plus 1 by 15, and this is equal to so much centimeter. It will be just, we find a numerical value, then finally we shall write it as it also, or the appropriate answer. Here what will be the LCM? 10 and 15. The LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. So minus 3, this plus 2, this is equal to minus 1 by 30. So what will be the value here? Therefore u is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So object must be taken at a distance minus 30 centimeter in front of the lens. Now the next question is, what is magnification? Again we know that. What? Magnification m is equal to v by u. For mirror, once again see here, for mirror magnification is equal to minus v by u, but for lenses magnification is equal to v by u. This is equal to, what is the value of v? The value of v is here minus 30 centimeter. This divided by u, that is minus 30 centimeter. Centimeter cancel, minus cancel, 0 cancel. This is equal to 1 by 3. And here this is positive sign. So this positive sign indicates that the nature of image is virtual and erect, and magnification is less than 1 here. So it is diminished. Thus the size of image, thus the magnification m is equal to plus 0.33. The positive sign of magnification shows here that the image is virtual erect, and it is the height of image is 1/3 that of the height of the object. Now see second example. Example 10.4. Once again see what are given. A 2 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis. In our previous chapters, in the topic sign convention, we have already seen that objects are always taken above principal axis, and the distance above principal axis parallel to lens, that is parallel to y-axis or parallel to lens or mirror, becomes positive. So height of object will always be positive. So write given, what are given here? Given data. Now we write all these things in the next page. Example 10.4 given. See what are given. The height of object, and for height we use the symbol h. Height of object always becomes positive. Remember it for your whole life journey of physics. 2 things are very important, 3 things. U will always be negative, h will always be positive, and f, that is focal length, for concave word, concave mirror and concave lens will be negative, and focal length for convex word, convex, that is convex mirror and convex lens will be positive. So object height of the object h is equal to plus 2 centimeter. It is given 2 centimeter. Perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens. Here, nature of lens is convex. So, what will be the sign of focal length? Negative or positive? Exactly positive. Remember it for your whole life. Convex, as word is convex, whether it is mirror or it is lens, focal length will be positive. So, but axis of a convex lens of focal length. Now, the focal length of the convex, here word is convex lens, and for focal length we use symbol F. For convex lens, focal length always becomes positive, so we shall write F is equal to plus 10 centimeter. This is use of sign convention. See, this is the use of sign convention. Really, it is concept, it is intelligence, it is merit, it is knowledge which we shall use according to the concept developed by our sign convention. Next thing, the distance of the object from the lens. The object distance, which is represented by u, and object distance will be negative always. For all numericals of your light chapter, whether it is mirror or lens, u will always be negative. So we shall write here u is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Object is taken at a distance 15 centimeter. Now find the nature, position and size of the image, also find magnification. So what are the physical quantities we have to calculate? Now V is equal to what? M is equal to what? Nature, and H dash, that is height of the image, is equal to what? So to calculate all these things, first of all we calculate V. After the knowledge of V, we can easily calculate all next things. So now applying this formula, what we know? We know that 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. We have to calculate V first here. Or 1 by V is equal to 1 by F, this plus 1 by U. Using the values, F is plus 10. So we write here only numerical value, 1 by 10. This sign plus and U is minus. So plus minus minus 15 centimeter, 1 by 15. We solve it. The LCM of 10 and 15 will be 30. So here 3 times 3 minus 2. This is equal to 1 by 30. And 1 by V is equal to 1 by 30. Therefore V is equal to 30 and it is centimeter. SI unit is no. The unit of U is here centimeter. F is in centimeter, that is CGS unit. So the unit of V will also be centimeter. Here positive sign indicates that in which side of optical center image will be formed? Obviously in right, because according to sign convention, distances measured right to the optical center will be positive. So here V is equal to positive. The position sign, the positive sign of V indicates here that image forms in the right side of optical center. And now we have to calculate magnification. So magnification is equal to V by U. This is equal to V. 30 centimeter. This divided by U minus 15 centimeter. This is equal to centimeter. 15 into 2 minus 2. Here negative sign of magnification indicates that what? The nature of image is real and inverted. But the numerical value is 2. So the size of image will be 2 times. for magnification, this symbol of positive and negative, sign positive negative, just indicates the nature. Here sign of magnification is negative, so the image will be real and inverted. Real inverted. Now for size, we know that m is equal to h dash by h. So h dash is equal to m into h. This is equal to minus 2 into what was the value of h here? 2 centimeter. This is equal to 2 centimeter. This is equal to minus 4 centimeter. So height of the image will be 4 centimeter, and this negative sign before height of the image shows that the image is inverted. Real, it is real, inverted, magnified, and the position of the image is at the right of the optical center. So now I consider that you are confident to solve numericals related to mirror formula and lens formula. So now today's homework is that solve numericals related to lens formula and magnification. Thank you very much.